So Temilola, very quick one. You have 60 seconds to spend $1,000. What are you buying?
Kura 7 gram.
1.5 or 6.
Okay, I'll get
Oh wait.
until I enter where they are selling it. That is when I will know.
A lot of people would have different opinions, different ideas, and that is why we are on the street of Lagos today. So you have 60 seconds to spend $1,000. What are you buying? Keep it locked down. Drop your comments in the comment section and let's have it. Yeah, bro, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
What's the name?
Temilolua.
So Temilola, very quick one. You have 60 seconds to spend $1,000. What are you buying?
Yes, 350.
Yes, 350.
Yeah, there you go.
My brother, how much is the ES350?
Depend on the year.
It depends on the year.
It depends on the year now.
Okay. So, I mean, the ES350 where you want to buy, China from Temu.
No. Temu King.
Good evening.
So, what's the name? Sister, come now. Alright. Okay, so a very quick one. What's the name?
I'm Blessing.
Blessing, and you? Cheesy. So in 60 seconds, I'm giving you $1,000. What are you buying?
iPhone 16.
iPhone 16 Pro Max.
Yes.
How much is iPhone 16 Pro Max?
It should be around 1.5 or 6.
1.5 or 6.
Yes.
So how much is $1,000 in naira?
It should be about that price too. Because it's over ₦1 million.
My sister, what do you do?
I'm a customer care representative.
I said, you know the figure of Alright, that's beautiful. Thank you so much. This is FOKS TV. Thank you so much. Hello, good afternoon. What's the name? Tehila. So you have 60 seconds to spend $1,000. What are you buying?
Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to get
60 seconds.
I'll get an S25 Ultra one. I'll get a car.
Wait. You get an X25 Ultra?
No. Counts. $1,000.
Yes.
I'll just get an S25 Ultra and then I'll get the laptop with the rest.
Okay. So how much is X25 Ultra? Alright. At least you know what you want to buy, right? Yeah. Alright, that's beautiful. Alright, my brother, how far now?
I'm fine.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
What's the name?
Temi.
So tell me a very quick one. You have 60 seconds to spend $1,000. What are you buying?
60 seconds to spend $1,000.
59 seconds remaining.
I will buy land first. Land property. Very okay. Very good.
We must learn
because within short period of time it will increase. So land tends to increase in a short time period of time, even long period of time. Imagine you buy land of maybe 1.5 million today. It just maybe for 4 years or 3 years you sell the double of the price. So for me, if I get that kind of money, I'll buy it.
Okay, wait. In 60 seconds, now land you won't buy.
I will purchase land. Is it cash or transfer first?
Okay, wait. What do you do?
Okay, like the work I do.
Yeah.
I'm into real estate.
But because like they say you get 1 minute to spend $1,000. You say na land you won't buy. Where you won't buy this?
I will buy the land in Iloti Ekpe. Yes, exactly.
Okay, you don't say na real estate they do. I forget stuck my mind. But thank you.
Now I said the man.
Exactly. Alright, thank you, bro. Thank you for what's the name? Adetola. So a very quick one. You have 60 seconds to spend $1,000. What are you buying?
I have to buy a shop.
You buy a shop?
Yes.
Where?
Anywhere that is very
like if it's one.
No. It doesn't have to be that. Very lucrative, Shai.
Very lucrative. So what will you be selling?
Wigs. Yes.
So I'm making free advert for you now. You'll be selling wigs.
Yes.
The least wig you'll be selling will be how much?
The list should be around 50k.
50k.
Yes.
So all the baddies. You see, you hear that? Let's go. Alright, thank you. A very quick one. You have 60 seconds to spend $1,000. What are you buying?
Landed properties, of course. I will buy a lot of land. That's what I will buy actually.
Like a whole lot of land.
Yes. Oh wait. He said, okay, in 60 seconds. So I have to, no, it depends on where I am now because 60 seconds is very short. So anything I see around, I'll quickly, because even if I want to order within 60 seconds, it will be very, the time is not enough now. Just 60 seconds, it's too small.
60 seconds is a long time.
It's a long time.
Yes.
And I'll be able to order, if there's any way I can order anything online within, or if there's any way I can just get it, anything I can get around at that moment, depending on where you meet me here, I can just. And you're not even, the money is not even with me yet, so how do you expect me to?
I know it's in a land there your mind.
Yes.
So where you want to buy the land?
Okay, I understand now. That's why I said if you give me the money now, imagine you give me the money here right now, and I'm with the money. The thing I can buy is anything that at that moment, anything that is there I can get within that 1 minute. Because if I say I want to order something online, the time might be up before I get. So anything I will get. So that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm trying to say.
All right, Paul. So now let's look at this vicinity now. What can you buy with $1,000 now, right now?
Wow, that question.
My name is Victoria.
Victoria. So you have 60 seconds to spend $1,000. What are you buying?
I'll just go for a smart TV. Like a Samsung smart TV, actually.
Looks like you have been dreaming about the TV. Because the way you said it, like with full force. So a Samsung smart TV.
Yes.
How many inches?
That should be like maybe 42, 45 inches.
42, 45.
Yeah.
Are you planning to get married soon?
Sure.
I know. Okay, wait. How much is the TV you want to buy?
Until I enter where they are selling it. That is when I will know. Yes.
Somebody can buy it for you in the comment section though.
Yes. When I enter there, then I will know. I can know what to do. You know.
Okay, don't worry. Tag, you know, she will see your comments. All right, Timleni, you have 60 seconds to spend $1,000. What are you buying?
I don't know. I will put it in my investment.
You put it in your investment. Okay, you have to buy something. So what are you buying?
I'll buy iPhone 16 Pro Max, and 16 Pro Max is not.
iPhone 16 Pro Max.
15 is up to 1 million.
15 Pro Max. 15 or 16?
15 Pro Max.
15 Pro Max. How much is it?
It's almost like 1.3 or
1.3 million. All right, that's beautiful to me. Thank you so much. All right, brother, what's up now?
Fine.
How you doing?
Fine.
What's your name?
My name is Adele Kodu.
Oh yeah, a very quick one now. You get 60 seconds to spend $1,000. What do you go buy?
$1,000. That's 1.6 million. I feel about I'm going to turn up. I'm going to Canada. Canada will be back. I'm going to turn this. Korea 7 gram.
No, you imagine Canada, like Canada.
I'm going to Canada will be back. Canada will be back. I'm going to turn up. I'm going to turn up. This is my turn. We are going to go 10 gram.
That one we are not going to tolerate at all. At all.
So funny. I feel what I does. I feel about come I feel bad. I feel turn on me by Korean see. Malaru. Only I can coffee minutes like Pabi. Malaru. Only Korean see.
God have mercy upon us.